So this question about the relationship between ADHD and THC is actually a really complicated one with no easy answer. And a big part of that is just the legality of cannabis over time. We've only recently had this substance decriminalized enough, especially here in the United States, to even really start doing any significant, robust research. When individuals with ADHD smoke, though, we do have some case studies showing that, at least for some people, there is improvement in symptoms. And we do have some research that shows that cannabis appears to act as a dopamine releasing agent, where individuals who smoke while the substance is active in their system have an increased level of dopamine activity across the board. And so those two kind of go together, right? That with ADHD, increasing dopamine activity has been shown to help with symptoms. What we don't know due to that lack of research, though, is first, exactly how that is working in terms of which compounds in cannabis are most helping. In cannabis, we have a complicated structure of multiple cannabinoids. We've got THC and CBD that we usually talk about, but there's actually many more. And each one has a different effect on the psychoactive impact. Second, there's also what are called terpenes in cannabis that we previously did not look at, but increasingly are being shown to have some additional impact on that psychoactive effect. Because of the lack of research, we also don't have a lot of long-term data to see if there's negative long-term consequences, and we don't have enough broad data across the sort of the spectrum of different ADHD experiences to see how uniform those improved experiences are. So there's just so much we don't know, and because cannabis is also only recently being studied and is more complicated than more directly simple drugs, there's again just not a really good clear answer. But that's what I have for you to share right now. And if there's any part of what I just talked about you want me to expand on, just post in the comments below, and I'm happy to.